Before you buy your new washing machine, you need to check it's going to fit into your space. But don't worry, it's really simple. Let's do this in 5 easy steps. It's time to grab your tape measure and head over to the space where your new washing machine is going to be fitted. You need to measure these 3 things carefully and accurately: the height, the width, and the depth. Plus, it's a really good idea to check you have enough room to properly open your machine for unloading and loading. For proper ventilation, you need a 2.5 centimetre gap either side and 15 centimetres at the back, so make sure to subtract these figures from your width and depth measurements to work out your available space. Now compare them to washing machine sizes. A freestanding model measures at 85 centimetres high by 60 centimetres wide, and the depth depends on the drum size. Integrated models measure at 82 centimetres high by 60 centimetres wide, with a depth between 54 and 56 centimetres. Once you know it'll fit, you need to make sure you've got all the right connections at the back of your space, or like I have here, under my sink. You will need a cold water supply, a wastewater pipe, and an electrical connection. Now you need to check your washing machine has enough room to get to its location. Walk through from where it's being delivered to where it's being fitted, measuring hallways and doorways and removing any obstacles in its way. Now you're ready for the fun part, choosing a washing machine that fits your home and that meets all of your needs. There are a few things to consider. Think about capacity and how much washing you usually do in a week. There's also spin speed. The faster the spin, the quicker your clothes will dry. And not to mention the eco features and energy ratings. The less energy and water you use, the more money you could save. Hopefully you've got everything you need to find the perfect washing machine. If you need more info, check out the washing machine buyer's guide in the appliances section of our website.